Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to buy from Yupoo with SugarGoo. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Then tap on its search bar and search here for yupooalbum.ru. Once you get to its site, click to copy the link of the product you want to purchase. After copying the link from here, go back and open up the SugarGoo app on your phone. As soon as you open up the app, it will detect the link. When you see the link detected dialog box, tap on the Yes button from here. Now, the link to your product is already added. All you need to do is enter your name and store name and tap to buy now. Or you can get back to its homepage and tap on the search bar. Then paste the product link in here and tap to find the product. Now, enter your information and tap to buy the product. Thanks everybody for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.